Number 3 reads, a tower that is 107 feet tall casts a shadow of 147 feet long. Find the angle of elevation of the sun to the nearest degree. Now, this picture here, 107 meaning the leg, which is the height of the tower, and 147 represents the shadow. Theta represents the angle of elevation, and C represents the other side. Now, in order to find angle of elevation, we need to find out C first. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to solve that. Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So with that being said, 107 squared plus 147 squared equals the square root of 33,058, which is approximately 182. So now that we know side C, we can actually write that in. Okay, now to find theta, we're going to use the law of cosines. In this case, A will be on the outside. So A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2 times BC times the cosine of the angle A. With that being said, we're going to fill them in. 107 squared equals 147 squared plus 182 squared minus 2 times 147 squared, times 2 times 147 times 182 times the cosine of A. Now when we solve, we have to subtract to both sides to get the cosine of A by itself. And once we do get it by itself, we are left with this decimal 0.808925. And in order to find the angle, we need to do the cosine inverse of this. So when we solve for the angle, it's approximately 36 degrees. So the angle of elevation is about 36 degrees.